am home from the blizzard. I posted a little short about it, and can't believe we were out in it. When I said I was thinking about rocks, I really was, because I had to think about something other than what we were going through. So I scrolled on my phone and looked at rocks and looked for places like that I can go find my own rocks and things like that, because I love doing that. But knew that when I got home, I couldn't wait to go through a couple more of these rocks from the rock shed that I got